Hello, good evening everyone. If you remember this Corolla 2016 knocking noise. Corolla 2016 knocking noise. We replace engine ECU to check maybe there's a problem from engine ECU. And I show you how to reset, to reprogram the mobilizer to another ECU. So this one we will return back the other ECU, the original one. Same procedure, reset, same procedure. Direct the connect terminal 4 and 13 in the LC 3 connector. So we change everything, we check everything. We found there's a bulb. This bulb not this in proper position. This OCB bulb is wrong installation. The OCB bulb. Then at the workshop install same part number of this number 1 and number 2. Must be number 1 is position in the intake sensor. Number 1 is number 2 OCB bulb. Number 2 this part number is different from number 1, so must be in a same part number in exhaust side. We found the problem. This is a problem for this knocking noise.